Opening day boat ceremonies. Thank you for being here and joining us this morning. Please rise when I state your name. Commander, U.S. Army First Corps, Lieutenant General Matt McFarland and his wife Kelly. 7th Infantry Division Chief of Staff, Colonel Todd Burrows and his wife, help me. Svetlana. And CNL Air Force 62nd Airlift Wing Commander Sergio Anana and his wife Angela and family. Olympia Police Deputy Chief Shelby Parker. Wayne Fournier, Thurston County Commissioner. We have judges for the parade today, our Capital Lake Fair royalty, Queen Asha Kambosh. There they are. Representing Capital High School, go Cougs. Ambassador Kamala, help me with that one. Pearscan. Representing Black Hills. Ambassador Ellie Brown, representing, she was Capital, the other one was Tumwater. Ellie Brown. I skipped that one. And their chaperone, Megan Pakistan. If I missed anyone, please stand to be recognized as we are grateful you are here.
Lacey Mayor Andy Ryder.
Oh. There he is. How did I miss that? Would the conductor and the MC of the American Legion Band please join me at the podium? A little extra surprise, you didn't know it was coming, did you? It is my honor to thank you and introduce the American Legion Band, led by the talented Kevin Robertson and their wonderful MC, Lucky Addison. Did I get it right? Yes. Perfect. Your inspiring music this morning touched all of us as it has touched us for many years. Today marks a remarkable milestone, 100 years of the American Legion Band being part of this ceremony. In fact, their very first public performance was right here at the Olympia Yacht Club back in 1925. To honor this occasion and your incredible legacy, the Olympia Yacht Club is proud to present you this plaque to the American Legion Band. Thank you for a century of dedication and for enriching our community with your music and spirit. Let's give them a big round of applause for a century-long tradition. Thank you guys so much. We are privileged to have the VFW Post 318 as our color guard today. Doing the honors are Commander Brian Pruitt, Alan Acosta, and Chris Harper. We are grateful to have them here today to raise the colors. Please, let's all stand, remove our hats, and honor the colors while our very own OIC Quartet sings the national anthem.
Color guard, attention.
Yeah, if you're in uniform, you leave your hats on.
It's okay.
Port, arms. Guards, post. Forward, halt.
twilight's last gleaming, whose bright stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming. And the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the hope of the brave.
Order. On. Color guard. All out.
Thank you to our cornettes, our